It comes time to remove this dross, this little bit of dross that occurs. I found just a little tapping with the hammer just chips it right away. And I just do that all the way around, and then I'll hit it with a little bit of, with a little flapper with it, and it'll be good to go. Leaves a nice, pretty clean edge. So that's what it is. So this is my finished Kydex press. I didn't take into account, I was still thinking about how I was going to do my locking mechanism. I had a couple ideas, and then I backed out because they were just, I started getting complicated with it. So I went back to the old KISS method, which is keep it simple, stupid. So I come up with this. The biggest complaint people have with the chain style that you normally see is that you only have either 1/4 inch increments at adjustment or 1 inch increments for adjustment. So I come up with this idea using a thumb screw down here, so I can adjust my tension, you know, down to whatever I need to be. So that unlocks like that, and then of course you just pull it out. I've glued the foam to my plate using some 3M adhesive. Now I've got 2 slots. So one of the things I've heard when doing holsters is that I have a bottom slot which is straight on. It'd be like your 1-to-1. Yeah, there's no, it sits perfectly level with that slot. So I decided to add a slot higher up for if you're doing a firearm or something, you need that little bit of extra room. You know, you can bring it up and give you that gap you need. So now with that down, and you're going to press, you would just apply pressure, and you can put your lock in like that. And then you even have an adjustment down here if you need to. So let's say I want to go tighter with it here. Now there's no movement in it. You know, it can easily be